everybody. I just wanted to upload a video about how to graph linear equations when it's in point slope formula. So I'm going to go through and I'll do that for you. So let's see. Okay, so the big thing with these to remember is your equation. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So looking at these, you want to start with the b when you're graphing. So we want to look at whatever number is at the end of the equation. So I'll do 1, 2, and 3 with you guys. All right, so with that, I'll do this one in, let's do purple. Okay, so 5, that tells me from 0, so right in the middle of my graph, I'm going to go up 5 and put a dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is my B, so that's where the line is going to cross the y-axis. All right, and then from there, you want to look at your M. So the M is going to tell you a little bit more about the line. So in this case, it's the number that's with the X. Okay, so for number, let me just do this really quick. So B for this one equals 5. And then my M for this one, technically there's a 1 right there. So technically it's a -1. And remember with the slope, you can always put it over 1. So that tells me from this point, from my B, I'm going to go down 1 because it's negative. And then I'm going to go to the right one. Down 1 to the right one, put a dot. And then follow that pattern. Down 1 to the right one, put a dot. And then keep following that pattern until you run out of graph. And then you could do the opposite, go up into the left one. And then that's where your line will come in. So let me see if I can. So your line will look like that. Okay. So for number 2, you're gonna do the same thing. In this case, my B equals -1. Okay. So that tells me from 0, I'm gonna go down to -1 and put a dot. Remember, you always start in the middle. And then for this one, my M equals -3. Again, you can put it over 1 to make it a fraction. It's a -3, so that tells me, okay, hold on a second. -3 over 1. So -3 tells you you're going to go down 3 and then to the right one. So from this point, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 to the right one. Put a dot. Okay, I run out of graph because I can only go down 2. So now you're going to do the opposite. Go up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the left one. So put your dot there. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the left one. Put a dot. Okay. And then again, just draw your line as best as you can. I'm not sure how it'll look on the Delta Math quiz, but this is just kind of a general idea, okay? I'll do number 3 with you guys as well, and then if you guys want me to do more, I would be more than happy to get on here and do that. So then, okay, so for this one, B equals 2. So that tells me from 0, I'm going to go up 1, 2, put a dot. Then my M equals 2. Oh, all right, let's see. M equals 2 over 5. Okay, so +2 tells you to go up. +5 tells you to go to the right. So from the 2 that I did in purple, I'm going to go up 1, 2. Okay, then I'm going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put a dot. And then I ran out of graph, so I'm going to do the opposite. Go down 1, 2, and then to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put a dot. Again, draw your line. And you are good to go. Alrighty. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and then we'll go from there. All right.